Welcome to the ActiveTracks instructional video series. In today's video, we're going to talk about using billing identifiers or cost codes when entering background reports and filtering background reports. Okay, so from your home screen, we're just going to place a manual entry order today, assuming that we have all the information on our applicant. Okay, and for today's purpose, I'm just going to order one set of components. I'll click Next. I'll order this report on Johnny Good. Okay, I'll enter a social. Date of birth, an address. Okay, and then once our bubble at the top turns green, we know we're okay to proceed. We click Next. Tab number 3 usually has a green bubble at the top because there's nothing that's necessarily required if Step 2 has been completed in its entirety. So Step 3 can sometimes be missed, but this is actually where you would enter your cost code. So if you have a billing identifier within the office or some sort of cost accounting code for different branches of your office, in today's example I'm going to use a cost code that we made up, A007. Okay, I'm going to enter that here under billing identifier number 1. And there's multiple billing identifiers, so we can talk about that in more detail. If you have questions, you can give us a call. But we'll skip on to the next tab and we'll say that yes, we've already obtained candidate authorization. So we'll proceed, and then we're going to submit this background report. And after we look down to make sure that we have the right package on it, the right price, we'll say submit now. Okay, so once that background report has been placed, of course, you know, this is where you can drag and drop a completed consent form if you want to upload that here. Otherwise, we'll just go back to hover over the blue menu bar at the top. If we hover over reports, we'll select the very first option. Click the checked individuals box. All right, this takes us back to our entire reports option, and it looks like, oh, look here, ActiveTracks screening just completed a background check on Johnny Good. So that's another way. If your email system allows you to click through that, it'd take you directly to the report. But let's say we wanted to go back here to the actual reports filtering page, and we want to look for all reports that have an A007. Okay, we're going to go back to the filter tab up at the top. There's 3 green tabs. It's the middle option. Now, as you scroll down, you can enter into the billing ID item number 1, the billing cost code that you're looking for. So for our example, it was A007. We'll scroll to the bottom and apply that filter change. And now all of your reports in the very first tab should only be for the applicable billing code of A007. And at the top, you can sort these by the last update. So if we do that, you'll see that here's Johnny Good. We just ordered him today. His report is now complete. It gives the date that it was ordered and posted, and of course it's got that billing identifier. So we can get a little more specific on this. So if you've got questions or need assistance, give us a call at 1-800-311-6075 or log on to activetracks.net for more instructional videos.